today's video, we're going to be making healthy black bean brownies. The recipe is low sugar, vegan, and there's no flour, so it's completely gluten-free. The brownies come out rich and fudgy, and no, you don't taste the black beans.
Start by adding 1 cup of black beans in a blender. Next up, we're going to add half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup to naturally sweeten things up, a 1/4 cup of almond butter which makes the brownies rich and fudgy, half a cup of applesauce which acts as an egg replacer and to help keep the brownies moist, a dash of vanilla extract, and finally, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then blend until smooth and creamy. Pour the brownie batter into an 8x8 baking pan and spread it evenly. Now, if you want to make these brownies even more tasty, you can fold in a handful of dairy-free chocolate chips or chopped walnuts. Totally optional, but highly recommended.
Okay, now the taste test. This is so good. This brownie is so moist and so fudgy. And like I said earlier, you don't taste the brownies, you don't taste the black beans at all. For a healthy brownie without the sugar crash, then you definitely need to make these healthy black bean brownies. And if you do, then let me know in the comments section down below how your brownies turned out. I would love to hear from you. And if you're looking for another healthy brownie recipe, then be sure to check out my healthy vegan sweet potato brownie video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy, low sugar vegan desserts. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.